Hello YouTube, Josh and Nader here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Outdoor Products Mess Kit. So here we go. I also brought my Ozark Trail Pocket Knife. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. Okay, got that open. Next, this is the mess kit itself. Tear the plastic on it so I can get it out. Okay, I think I got it. This is a 5-piece set. I'll tell you what comes with here in a minute. This is the first time I had it out of the box, actually. Okay, so here we go. Unloosen the thing. Take the handle off for the pan, put the nut back on so I won't lose it. Okay, now plate. I have to get my knife again, guys. Just paper, I'll just unravel it. Okay. Here's the pot for water. Cup. The lid for the pot. Set this over here. Next I have the pan, which the handle goes on. I'll put it on so you can see what it looks like. I just went to Walmart today and got it for my birthday and stuff. Which was on November 14th, a couple days ago. And I believe you can cook eggs and stuff in there and like that, potatoes, different stuff like that, but it's pretty cool. I like it. So thanks for checking me out today. Hope you enjoyed this video.